Next, we'll observe the Honor review for a while. What you saw before is the latest phone Earbuds 8 Pro from Honor. The packaging box for this phone is really small and very mini. Looking at the design, I personally think the price should be quite affordable. The earphone structure uses an in-ear design, which generally provides better noise reduction. As for the weight, a single earbud weighs only 5.4 grams, and the entire earphone case is just 48 grams, which can be said to be very light. In everyday use, when paired with Honor Smart Space, as soon as we open it, it automatically connects. It's quite convenient and simple to use. As for the specific functions, we can click to take a look. It has noise cancelling mode, and there are 4 sound effect levels to choose from. Unfortunately, there are no open-ear headphones with AI capabilities. Overall, I think it's positioned as a mid to low-end noise-cancelling earphone. As for sound quality, it's alright, you can experience it yourselves.